back here at home this evening and the coronavirus pandemic in this country and the alarming new numbers tonight. The daily case count now topping 75,000 new cases 2 days in a row now. And authorities say they are now seeing more cases than ever among the young in this country. Also tonight, Pfizer is now asking to extend the emergency use authorization of its vaccine to children ages 12 to 15. All states also now bracing for a dramatic drop in their supply of the Johnson & Johnson one-shot vaccine next week. And across the country tonight, the numbers, 113,743,000 have received at least one dose. That's 44% of all adults now. ABC's Whit Johnson in New York.
Tonight, with new COVID cases topping 75,000 2 days in a row, the federal government promising to surge resources to growing hotspots. States like Michigan, where hospital admissions have jumped more than 30% over the past week.
It's Michigan and the Midwest today, and tomorrow or next week it could be the Northeast or the South or another part of our country.
The governor pleading for more vaccines to fight back against the variants. The Biden administration sending response teams and testing supplies, but no extra doses.
What we should be doing right now in places like Michigan is we should be surging tests, surging vaccinations, helping those states get over this.
Many states already bracing for a plunge in doses of the Johnson & Johnson single-shot vaccine by nearly 85% next week. But federal officials say despite inconsistent distribution, they still expect the company to meet its goal.
Johnson & Johnson has also reiterated its commitment to provide at or near 100 million vaccine doses by the end of May.
And tonight, after a temporary pause at a handful of vaccination sites from Colorado to North Carolina, following reports of a small number of mild adverse reactions, the CDC finding no safety issues related to the J&J vaccine. And now there's new hope that younger teens could start getting vaccinated before fall. Today, Pfizer asking the FDA to extend authorization of its vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds after the company reported it was safe and 100% effective.
Right now, COVID-19 vaccines are being offered to most folks over 16 or 18, but that means the vast majority of children are not eligible for a vaccine yet. Children need to be careful. They need to wear their mask and socially distance.
The CDC tracking clusters of cases tied to youth sports. The virus hitting high school basketball player Zach Darris in Illinois, though it's not clear where he got infected.
I had the fever at first, and then when it really hit me that I had it is when I lost my taste, lost my smell.
Really important to keep in mind as we move forward on this. And we've been reporting here on that human error, that mix-up of ingredients at a Baltimore plant making the Johnson & Johnson one-shot vaccine. Those doses never went out. But tonight there's actually new reporting that more doses of the vaccine could actually be in jeopardy as well.
David, after millions of doses were reportedly ruined, the New York Times now says another 62 million unfinished doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are now in question until it can be determined whether they are also contaminated. They have not been shipped out yet, and that plant is still awaiting FDA authorization before it can deliver any doses. David?
All right, Whit Johnson on the virus tonight. Whit, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.